Okay, step 3, we did facilitator, we did sway. Let's do pulse. Let's go.
Much like a bunch of the other tools we've already gone through in this series, you can find Pulse right inside Microsoft Teams. Open the left sidebar, click on Viva Pulse, or just search for Pulse, and it'll be one of the options. If you don't see it, your admin might need to turn on the Viva features. Now, if you think you'll be in here a bunch, go ahead, right-click, and pin it. So, what does Pulse actually do? Well, think of it a little like a temperature check for your team. Instead of long surveys asking people face-to-face where they might feel uncomfortable or pressured, or even worse, just guessing how people feel, Pulse lets you send short, focused questions in a little questionnaire. Everyone can reply in just a few seconds, and their answers stay private, at least at the individual level, while you get helpful charts that show trends. You know, like taking their pulse. It's maybe the most aptly named tool in the Microsoft 365 suite. So you can choose from preset questions, or you can write your own. You can schedule them to go out automatically. You can even target different groups, like departments or project teams. So let's build a little pulse here. We're going to do a little well-being check-in. So we're just going to click on the template there. Here's the well-being template. It's supposed to take 1 minute to complete. There's 3 questions, fairly simple, and it's just about well-being. So we're just going to send this out to the team here. So I am able to cope effectively with work-related stress. God, I hope so. I really do, because we work a lot on that. I'm treated fairly at work. I'm satisfied with my ability to choose when and where I work. So we're going to just go with it, and we're going to hit next, and we're going to add individuals. We're going to send it to Aaron and Stefan and Gleb. Perfect. So here is where we're going to send it right now, and we're going to say, hey there, we're doing a demo of Pulse, but also, how are you doing? And we're just going to hit send. And that is Pulse. That's Pulse. You just build the survey and send it out. And within moments, I'm going to have results on that. So there you go. This one was quick. Pulse gives you a simple way to stay connected with your staff. It helps you spot issues early, celebrate wins, and support people before problems grow. Good leaders listen to the people on their team, and Pulse helps you do that. If you want help turning it on or setting it up, you know where to find us. We've got your back. In this ever-changing IT landscape, be adaptive. We'll see you next time.